Here's a podcast script that's approximately 2 minutes long, based on the provided text. Here's a podcast script that's approximately 2 minutes long, based on the provided text. Ever pushed against a wall, felt your muscles burn, and thought, wow, that's hard work? Well, in the world of physics, you've done absolutely zero work. Confused? Let's break it down. Work in physics isn't just about effort, it's about movement caused by force. The rule is simple. If it doesn't move, no work is done. It's one of the first mind-bending ideas we encounter in mechanics. Think of it like this. Work is the currency of energy. When you do work on an object, you're transferring your energy to it. The formula is straightforward. Work equals force times distance. But there's a catch. The force you're measuring has to be in the same direction as the movement. Imagine carrying a heavy box across a room. You're exerting an upward force to hold it, but you're moving horizontally. Because the force and the motion are at a 90-degree angle to each other, a physicist would say you've done zero work on that box. All that sweating, that's your body working to keep you upright, but not to move the box forward. Now, if you push that same box across the floor, you're doing positive work. The force and the motion are aligned. The box gains kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion. If you're trying to stop a moving box, you're applying a force in the opposite direction. That's negative work, and you're taking kinetic energy away from it. This direct link between work and energy is so fundamental, it has its own law, the Work-Energy Theorem. It states that the total work done on an object equals its change in kinetic energy. It's a powerful shortcut, letting us calculate how much an object speeds up or slows down without ever needing to know the acceleration or the time it took. From a rocket launch to a simple push, it's all just a transfer of energy. So, next time you're pushing, pulling, or lifting, remember, it's not just effort, it's a beautiful dance of force, distance, and energy. That's your Physics Minute. Thanks for listening.